Real quick video. I'm actually on my way to the service center to get the $300 HEPA panel upgrade done. So this is the current panel configuration. Under here is what that looks like. So we'll see what it looks like on the flip side after that new system is installed. Here's what the HVAC panel currently looks like pre-installation. So hopefully there'll be a new button with the bioweapons defense mode when I get this back. Got my car back from service to have the HEPA filters installed on my 2021 Model Y. It's a, I guess, mixed 2021. It has some of the 2021 upgrades and some of them, it's an early 2021, so it doesn't have all of the changes that come with that. So we're gonna pop this off maybe. It's super cold, so I don't wanna break anything. So give me a minute, I'm gonna pop this off. So this is a new cowling after the upgrade, and we'll see what it looks like underneath. All right, I ran a space heater in here to warm things up a little bit. Able to get this popped off. And that's what it looks like now. Let's see here. Try to see how you access this. So they had to put in probably like a little fitting in there to bolt that into. So I looked at retrofitting this previously, but when I went to order the parts, they said they didn't match my car, so they wouldn't sell them to me. And then not too long after that, they listed this available as a service item. So I actually signed up for the service on the day it came available, which I think was in November. And originally had it scheduled for the beginning of December, but then it got pushed back for parts availability. And then it got pushed back again to after Christmas. And I went in for service and they still didn't have the parts, but I had a lot of, or not a lot, but other things, warranty work I wanted them to do. So I did that and then set up a mobile service for the install of this. So they came out to the house and installed all of this. So it looks like there's some little fasteners here maybe they would do to access the filters. And then on the inside, in climate, I now have bioweapons defense mode, which I've not turned on until now. So it's now recirculating, and doing all that. That's pretty cool. So the total cost for this system, for them to install it, was $312 and some cents, which was about the cost of the parts. I think it was a little over $200 to buy all the parts individually and install it yourself. So to have it professionally installed, I don't know, seems worth it. So yeah, that is how they retrofitted a 2021, early 2021 Model Y to the HEPA filtration system.